Imagine if in minutes from now you can get access to the world's first, ChatGPT-powered Google killer app that generates human-like responses, creates high-quality content and designs stunning AI graphics and arts with Siri-like voice commands in just 2 minutes flat. That gets you better conversion traffic in sales like never before. Sounds like a massive life-changing opportunity? Look, the AI industry is booming right now. It's taken over the world by storm in 2023. And became the undisputed ruler of the online world. And seeing the profit potential and limitless possibilities of AI, we developed a fully ChatGPT and OpenAI-powered app that pushes the boundaries of human-AI interaction and takes businesses and sales to new heights. Finally, this revolutionary AI app allows you to generate human-like crisp and clear responses to complex questions in real time, create high-quality and plagiarism-free original content like ebooks, articles, essay stories, poems, and much more. Generate high-converting sales scripts, video scripts, and email swipes for your marketing campaigns. Write creative blog posts, social media posts, Facebook ads, Google ads in real content for your business. Design stunning AI, graphics, visuals, and are instantly. Build professional-looking funnels and website codes just by typing your desired specifications. Write, debug, and explain codes like a professional programmer. Automate the repetitive tasks and save your time. Translate languages, solve tricky math problems, or ask for anything that you want. And the best part is you can get all this done by using built-in Siri-like voice commands. Finally, this next-gen futuristic AI software lets you fire your expensive copywriters and content writers. Fire your expensive website and funnel designers. Fire your expensive web developers and coders. And cancel all your existing expensive tools and services. Well, now it's time for you to experience the power of this paradigm-shifting AI revolution that's redefining the boundaries of human intelligence. Introducing AiBuddy. AiBuddy is the world's first ChatGPT-powered Google killer app that generates human-like responses, writes codes, creates high-quality content, and designs stunning AI graphics and art with Siri-like voice commands in just 2 minutes flat. Finally unleash the true potential of this groundbreaking AI software and generate non-stop sales in commissions. Now with AiBuddy you can start your very own content creation agency and charge anything you like. Design and sell jaw-dropping AI visual art for maximum profit. Craft and sell high-converting marketing materials like sales scripts, video scripts, email swipes, and so much more. Create and sell stunning websites and funnels. And fill up your pockets like never before. And that's not all. Hey, AiBuddy comes with commercial rights, giving you the license to print your very own money by selling limitless high-quality content, stunning AI visuals, and marketing materials to your audience. Well, AiBuddy is the new age AI revolution fully driven by ChatGPT and OpenAI that allows even complete newbies with zero technical experience to start profiting from day one. All it takes is just 3 dead simple steps. Step 1. Ask. Give Siri-like voice commands, or type your desired specification about anything that you want, like content, AI, graphics, marketing materials, etc. Step 2. Generate. AiBuddy harnesses the power of ChatGPT and OpenAI and generates high-quality content, AI graphics, marketing, materials, or anything you desire. Step 3. Profit. Start profiting by selling these high-in-demand marketing contents, AI graphics, and so much more to your clients on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork while filling up your pockets. And it doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you generate human-like responses? Create high-quality content and design stunning AI graphics and arts with Siri-like voice commands in just 2 minutes flat. There isn't. So what are you waiting for? AiBuddy is the new 2023 AI revolution that's changing the lives of many ordinary people just like you. Finally end your search with this revolutionary AI Google killer app that has everything you need. And wait, I'm going to sweeten the deal even more. Right now you have an early bird discount on this page which gives you full lifetime access to AiBuddy just at the price of a cheap t-shirt. However, the discount won't be available to everyone, so once our capacity is reached, we will be closing our doors for good. So what are you waiting for? There is no way for you to lose here. With that being said, take the plunge.